Hi, I'm Boone. This is Boone's Slot Car Garage, and this is video number 2 for the lift system on the layout. And what we're going to do is I'm going to go over a little bit more as far as the cable system and the pulleys, because there were some questions on it. So we come back, we'll go ahead and I'll start pointing out everything. Okay, so first thing with the pulley system, if we come over and look at it, you remember we're using 1/8 inch cable. It mounts up at the ceiling, and you can see where the eyelet and stuff is at, and it comes down through, comes through the pulley down here at the bottom, goes back up through the pulley that's up on the ceiling, and then that runs all the way back to the wall on the ceiling back there to the ceiling mount pulleys. All 4 of the pulley systems on the table are this way. And when you're doing this and you're getting it all mounted back to the last pulleys, you want to make sure that everything's lined up. And what I'll do is I'll jump back there and show you that pulley system and how that's mounted up to the main wire that goes into the winch. So like I was saying, all 4 of the pulley systems on the table all end up back up on the ceiling to the ceiling mount pulleys. And then they all come back and go through the ceiling mount, or what they call ceiling mount or wall mount pulleys. And they're just mounted on this board up here. And I have them bolted all the way through, so they're good and secure. But they come back through, go through the back side, and then they all join at this point right here. And you can see the eyelets on the end of all these cables. And what I did is I went ahead and took a chain and put a chain through each one of the eyelets, and then chain that on the eyelet to the winch. So the big thing with all this though is in order to get the table to lift all at one time, to get all the pulleys in sync, is that when you're laying out your cables, you need to have them all join at this point together so that you don't have any slack in your lines. If you have one that has more slack than the other, the table is going to lift and it's going to twist. So you're going to want that table to lift, evenly all the way through. In order to do that, to tune it, is that all these cables have got to be together in the same spot up here, and all the slack has got to be out of the lines. Once you have that, go ahead and connect it to your winch cable, and then that will draw it through, and the whole entire table should come up all square. So there we go. I hope this answers the questions that I saw in the comments. If it doesn't, put in a comment, and we'll try to address it some more, right? Okay, so if you like my video, like it, subscribe to my channel, share it with others, and this is the end of part 2 of the cable system, and I'll see you guys later.